guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. As y'all can tell by the title, your girl reinstalled this Sensationnel unit that my friends over at Blackhairspray sent me. This is a Sensationnel unit. Before we jump into this reinstall, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, talk to me, girl. Do you like this unit? It's giving very much classy, honey. It's giving classy. So without further ado, let's jump into this reinstall. So this is the unit that I'm about to reinstall, and I got it in a shade 1B. Now what I do love about this unit is that it has a curtain bang. So I've already installed it once, but I never really came on here to show y'all how I installed it. So we're about to do another reinstall. This is the stock card that it comes with. It says deep center part with baby hairs, but child, you can only wear this unit one way, okay? This is the unit, and it does come pre-layered. It does have that cute little curtain bang, and I did wear this before, so it's a little matted back there, but we gonna make it do what it do. I did cut the lace already, so it does have like a little bit of lace on the inside of it around the perimeter. I finally jumped the bandwagon and got some Ruby Kiss concealer so I can use this instead of using my Fenty, because I know at one point that Fenty is about to be on its last leg. So I picked number 14 because I felt like that was obviously the closest to my skin tone. I have not opened it yet, so I think that matches pretty good. And I'm gonna take my little foundation brush. Which one? I'll probably use the lighter one to tint the inside of my lace, and then the darker to go on the perimeter once I've installed the lace, to kind of give it a little bit more depth. And the tint is already brown, so it kind of already has like a little color to it, but I just want to try this new concealer, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I ordered this concealer off Amazon, so I will leave the link down below if you are interested in it. And I'm just adding some concealer. I can tell a difference in this. My only downfall about this unit is this little part right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but right in the center there, I don't know what's going on there, but like you can kind of see where they maybe tried to sew two pieces of lace together. Now I'm just going to spray my lace spray, and I had went and got the sensitive one. It's the Sensitive Extreme Firm Hold. This is my favorite lace, but the hair store that I went to, they didn't have that one, so I just got this one. And I love the fit of this unit. I'm just gonna kind of lay my edges to kind of set everything. And I forgot my hair clips, but that's okay. Pull everything back. So I just clip my hair back, and I let this sit for like maybe about 5-10 minutes, just long enough for it to not be sticky anymore. Right, y'all see these baby hairs? This side lost its baby hairs, but that is okay. These ones are pretty long. That's okay as well. So now just cut that side. Kind of want to make these like a little bit shorter. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to use my lace spray on my brush to lay these edges. All right, now, so I laid my edges. So I'm just gonna tie them back up. So I'm gonna let these sit for 5 or 10 more minutes. All right, so edges are laid. So now I'm just gonna comb everything out. Now, this is a synthetic unit now, so you know, it's gonna have some kinks in it. But once you get through it, like, child, everything's gonna be all right. Let's look at that. I just gotta fix this side. Bada boom, bada bing. Your girl is in business. Now for the back, you know, it's gonna take a little work to get these kinks out, but take your time. Start combing from the bottom and work your way up, just like if it was natural hair, you know? And then we're back. Let me zoom back out so y'all can see the full effect. So like this is giving like very much classy and sassy. I have not had a unit that that little knot was a little intense there, but I got that thing out. But I've never had a unit that came with these curtain bangs like this one has already. Like, this is so super cute and it's very versatile. It is like a 13, well, I wouldn't say it's a 13 by 6, but the lace does go from ear to ear. But as y'all can see, the lace is just strictly down the center. It doesn't have like, you can only wear this unit down the center. And I'm just using my wide tooth comb that I used to use when I had my hair. Now I do see some of the girls using like their paddle brushes. I do have a powder brush, but like first being that it has been packaged up, I just like to use my comb. Can y'all see how that looks? Like I said, I'm just gonna start from the ends, get the kinks out from the end, and then this is the piece that's like in the very center. So this one, you know, it's lived a good life, but I'm gonna need for it to get correct. All right, we got through it. Good Lord, that one was a doozy, but we got through it. Now this 1B is like very much like pretty dark. It's almost giving like a 1 to me, but who am I, you know? Who am I? Now to me, it looks a little bit too shiny, so I'm gonna use some of my dry shampoo to kind of get that shine off of here. 'Cause honey. Now this hair is shedding just because it had like a few kinks in it, which is expected because it is a synthetic hair, but this is all the hair that came out. And it goes like all the way, it's pretty long, so I'm not mad at it. Now I'm gonna go in and flat iron this piece right here because it looks like it's like has like a little bump to it. So this hair is heat resistant. Let me just double check. It says safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. So I'm gonna flat iron this part right here. I'm not sure why I said flat iron, but I am going to hot comb it. So I'm just waiting for my hot comb to heat up to, I put the temperature to 375. No, I'm lying. It was 355. And so, like I said, I'm just gonna flat iron this part here. So it's like this little piece right here just don't want to do right for me, so I'm just gonna smush it down. Yeah, that does it. So I mean, you know, once you get a unit and it's already customized to like your hairline. Like, it is super duper easy to like reinstall. This was like one of the easiest reinstalls I've done. This unit is giving very classy. This is a unit from Sensationnel, and honey, this thing is cute, okay? It already comes layered. It has the cute little curtain bangs. Like, this is giving very much, she is about her business type unit. The first time I installed it, my baby hairs were like a little bit longer. They were like pretty much down to my eyebrow. I don't like baby hairs that long, but I don't know. I had just did it long enough for the video that I had to make the wig for. So whenever I did reinstall it, I was gonna cut the baby hair shorter, and I'm glad I did because it looks better than how long they were before. So I'm happy with it. Now, like I said, this is a unit from Sensationnel. It is unit 26, and I got it in the shade 1B. Now, this 1B is very, very dark. Like, it's giving me like black. It does not have a free flowing parting space. The parting is strictly down the center, which is okay with me. You could probably kind of like twist it to the side if you wanted a side part, but I don't see why you would want a side part, especially when it has these cute little curtain bangs on them, okay? It does have a HD lace, and if I can remember, the lace was already like a brownish tint to it, but I did add a little bit more of my new concealer from, what is people? Ruby Kiss. So I'm glad that I finally picked that up. But other than that, this reinstall was super easy. This is definitely a beginner friendly unit. Now, I must say, if you are using lace spray, you want to spray the adhesive around, let it get a little bit tacky before you place your unit on. And then after you do that, do not manipulate it or anything like that. Go ahead and put your tie around so your lace can definitely set and melt into place. If you try to do this while your spray is still like a little runny, it's not gonna work for you. I done got frustrated so many times. That was the key. I wish I'd known that a long time ago, but you know, I done messed up, so y'all won't have to mess up. But I really, really love this unit. If you guys have any questions, if you're a beginner into installing units like myself, if you have questions, please feel free, comment down below. I can try my best to help you. I'm still learning along the way, but I am definitely getting better with time because this lace, like, where? If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you do give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have not already subscribed to my channel. What are you waiting for, sis? Come on, subscribe, especially to all my new beginners out there to installing units. Go ahead and subscribe so we can learn and grow together. So until the next time, bye now.
Been a few hours and it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.